Okay, dear students, we have been discussing CRM from last 4 months. So we have completed the syllabus also. Now it's time to revision. So again, I'm just giving an overview about what is CRM and what contents we have been discussed with this. So see here, mm, I think it is visible to you. So in the first unit, we have seen evolution of customer relationship, how this is started, and what are the best CRM practices, CRM process, framework, benefits, types, scope, trends, advantages, and finally, what is CRM. So in the second unit, we have seen the concepts, CRM concepts, customer value, expectation, satisfaction, centricity, acquisition, retention, loyalty, lifetime value, experience management, profitability. Okay. And in the third unit, how to plan the CRM program and what are the essentials, how to set the objectives, what data you require, and how to plan for the desired outputs, what are the elements of CRM then, all those things. And CRM with marketing strategy, how to automate the sales force and how to achieve the results. And in the fifth unit, implementation of CRM program. So first we define what is CRM. Can anyone tell me what is CRM? Is it visible, guys? Screen is visible. What is that you are seeing now?
Purpose of CRM.
No, it is something customer relationship management. You are seeing that. Wait for a minute, then I'll share you the something else. So I'll share the new one. Is it okay? Which one you are seeing now?
Yeah, sir.
CRM, right?
Yes, sir.
So simple words, what is the CRM? You tell me. Don't read the definition which you are seeing on the screen. So we have discussed almost 4 months. So what you understand by customer relationship management, Deepak?
Actually, managing the relationship with the customer.
Good. Simple words, it is that only. So you have to manage the relationship with the customers. So what type of relations are there? Is there personal relations or professional relations?
Professional relation with some personal relation.
How can you maintain personal relationship? Is it possible
based
to
on
maintain
the
personal
sector?
relationship with the customers? Is it possible?
First of all, the main objective is a professional only, but based on the sector in which we are using this concept, some personal relationship is
whatever. What do you mean by personal relationship here? You want to become friend, or you want to become something else?
Just a friend, sir.
No. See, our relationship is professional only. So professionally,
yes.
we have to give that attention to them, and they have to feel that these people are treating me with good intent and hospitality. You have to create that impression only. We should not go beyond that. So there is no question for personal relationship with the customer. So it gives wrong sense again. Okay. Sometimes it will ruin the image of the organization. So we will maintain the professional relationship. Professional relationships in the sense it is a business relationship. So finally, what you want, your product should be sold and customer should be happy, and you must have continuous rapport with them, right? So how they are feeling about our product, what are their experiences, and will they refer to others? What are their total journey with the organization? That is what. Okay. So to maintain such kind of relationship with the customer, so we must have virtues a software, simply telling, because it is not possible to maintain relationship with thousands of people. Suppose your organization is a very big organization, assume for a moment, daily 500 customers will come to you. Of course, sometimes they are repeated customers and sometimes they are not. Take an example of a Kirana store. Suppose for every day around 100 to 200 customers will come to his shop, his or her shop. Is it possible to for him to remember each and every face and each and every person's number? Do you think it is possible?
No, sir.
No. Oh, 10, 20, it is possible. Okay, he will remember the names and everything. So when size of the customers are increasing, definitely you must have a storage system, data storage system, right? So what you do in that, you will write down their name and mobile number and something their identity, right? So that if any new products come or anything you wanted to share, you can send through SMS or you can send some WhatsApp group, anything like that. So that's why even you might have seen some business groups also created for selling costumes and cosmetics, whatnot. Even online businesses. Best example, sarees business people are doing. They create some WhatsApp groups and throw everything on that, right? So when size of the customers are increasing, you must take an help of any software. It might be a social media, it might be something of official softwares, so that you can reach everyone. So CRM simply, as you said, if we have to maintain the relationship with the customer. So to maintain that relationship, we must have some methodologies and tools to manage the customer relationship. What method you follow? You follow WhatsApp group, or you follow the bulk SMS software, or you maintain a database with Excel. Something. What is that you need it? It depends on your organization. Which one you can afford. So every organization cannot take CRM software. That is too much cost for them. So few, whatever they are using the technology, it all comes under. So the methodologies and tools which help the business to manage customer relationship in the organized way, it is known as CRM. So initial days, it was known as buying and selling initially. This is traditional concept, buying and selling. Then later on, it will become relationship marketing. So we are maintaining relationship with the customer. Here relationship means pure professional relationship. Then customer information management system. Suppose if you are walking into a two-wheeler showroom or four-wheeler showroom, so they will maintain your record. Whenever they are issuing a code, they collect your name and mobile number. They maintain that database. If anything comes, they will send you that. Even every organization, every company, every business center is doing the same nowadays. Then it has evolved into CRM, now eCRM, e-customer relationship management. So when you want to define it, as per the authors, then CRM is a business strategy with outcomes. So it's all a strategy. You want to optimize your business, you want to optimize your profitability, revenue, and customer satisfaction. So for that, you are doing an organized business with the help of softwares. So it is a strategy used to learn more about the customer needs and behavior, right? And in order to develop stronger relationship with them. Why not you just take an example? Yesterday we have given your ID cards proof to in the WhatsApp group. Now what everyone is checking and you are replaying back. These many corrections are there. This is not like that. My date of birth is different. My address is different. So it increases the interaction between you and the college people. Otherwise, if we call them, you come to college and check it and go, it will become an hectic process. So you will be, in a satisfaction that yes, my ID card is going to be printed on an accurate basis. So when you want to know more about things, you must go with some software, you must go with some organized way, then it will become. And it is emerged like this eCRM, okay, in 1960s. It is marketing, and then the segmentation has done niche marketing, customer relationship, how it is evolved. So in 1960s, marketing concept is started, and then segmentation. Segmentation, no? What do you mean by segmentation? Segmentation, market segmentation means
dividing a group of people based on the demographic, geographical areas.
Only you will divide the people. That is only called as segmentation. You don't divide the territories or you don't divide the areas.
Yes, sir. The geographical, I told you, sir. In geographical, that everything comes.
It could be
Areas,
anything. You have to divide the market, whether
yes.
you divide the people according to
Yeah.
people or according to the area, whatever it is known as segmentation. Why we have to do the segmentation? Why
To identify
do the
the
segmentation?
target market,
To target the
for
market.
target to market.
Yeah. What do you mean by targeting there? You will attack on them.
Based on the if
You will attack
no,
on
sir,
them.
which and if the product is is for the higher income category persons, then we will focus on in which area the persons can buy the product.
No. Will you
And
attack
we
on them by
target
targeting?
for those persons. No, 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 sir.
Why not? It is simply attacking only because first you will segment. It is very much impossible for any person to reach each and every person in the market. Market is very large. Now, what you are doing, you are dividing into some segments. After that, you will attack them. Attack in the sense you don't destroy them. You will attack with your advertisement, with your promotions, with your products, right? You will reach them simply. So segmentation and then targeting, and one more thing is also there. What is that? STP, segmenting, targeting, and then
Positioning.
yes. So after you reach them, you have to position your product where, in their home or in their mind. How you position the product? Where you will position it?
In their minds.
Yes. So if suppose I wanted to buy a two-wheeler, see immediately what brand you will get in your mind, Mr. Deepak. Suppose assume for a moment. You want to buy
Yamaha and Bajaj, Hero.
first
These
you are getting
companies will
Yamaha
come.
in your mind. So that product has
Yes.
positioned in your mind. Simply that's you like it very much. That's why it come first. Suppose I want to go to purchase some gold ornaments. Which brand is coming first? Tell me. Don't tell me that you don't
Malabar.
go. Suppose you want to purchase gold. Where you will go? You will go to a gold shop only. Now tell me which shop. Mr. Abhishek?
Attica Gold too.
Attica Gold. So Attica Gold is for selling, I think, right? If you want to sell the gold, you have to go Attica Gold Company.
Yes.
So that is not the one. Abhishek. Are you there, Abhishek? You. Madhurima, can any girl will answer? Lavanya, Kancharla, Lavanya. Suppose if you want to purchase gold, where you will go first? Will you go to Sri Krishna Jeweler or Musaddilal Jewelers or Satyanarayana Jewelers in Medipatnam? Where you will go? Where you will go, Manish? Rohini?
GRT Jewelers.
GRT Jewelers. Okay, so that has positioned, in your mind. So when some product you are thinking, whatever the brand you will get first in your mind, that will become position started. Or you can say Lalita Jewelry. Why somebody is not said? Because they have bombarded the advertisement like that. Even GRT Jewelers is also a good one. Or Malabar Gold or Nakshatra Jewelers, something. Diamonds, right? So first, which brand is coming to your mind? That means it has positioned in your mind like that. So these are all the CRM and CRM process, how it will done. Okay, how we will create the value, campaigning management, channels, simple things. Okay, that you can read it, and the components. So operational, collaborative, view, framework. These are all not. So what is the benefit with the CRM? See the benefits. Why somebody should do the business in an organized way. So it will increase the revenue and decrease the cost and end. So nowadays, social media is playing a vital role in business. Without that, it is very difficult. Even online platforms is also promoting through social media. So they'll advertise their product in the social media. Suppose you are searching Facebook, it will come. It won't come in WhatsApp, but I'm telling you.